Fucking hell, he nailed you there, didn't he, you soft twat?
Oh, quiet, you fucking handsome bastard. Get ready so we can go for a pint.
Yeah, I'll get some bits sorted out first, then I'll meet you down there.
I'm flaking again, are we, eh? I'll get a message later from you saying you forgot we were going out. I swear to God, you'd forget your nuts if they weren't in your sack.
Nah, man, nah, it'll be all right, because what I'd do is I'd pop down your bird's house, ask her if I could borrow yours from her purse, wouldn't I?
Twat.
You're all right with that, do you know?
Nah, it's all good.
You're all right, Sandy.
Hello, Adam. Are you well?
Yeah, I'm good, Jez. Are you? Do you have a good weekend?
Yeah, it was good, thanks. Spent some time seeing family, which I haven't done in a while.
It's lovely.
How about yourself? Did you win your game?
We did, yeah. It were a good game.
I'm glad you had a good time. What's on your mind, Adam?
I did want to talk. Nothing. No, nothing. I didn't.
That's no problem. Do you mind if I start? Okay. So I'm interested because the last time we spoke, we made real progress in talking about your time at school and the difficulties that you experienced there. Have you given that any more thought since our last conversation?
Yeah, a little.
Brilliant. Can we talk about it?
I think with me being, you know, in school, I never got a chance to feel good like everyone else.
Adam.
Sorry. Sorry.
What for?
Crying.
You have nothing to apologise for. It's normal and it's healthy. Now, please, let's talk. It's what I'm here for.
I can't.
You can. You can.
I need help.
I will help you as much as I can. Promise? Now, tell me what's on your mind.
Hey man, you good?
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
What's up in your mind?
you